next 12 months, what is going to change in the car business? Talk to me profitability, talk to me supply and valuations. What are we going to see?
I think we're slowly going to see a return to what we had before.
So that means more declines to come.
I think that dealership profits will continue to decline a little bit. The new vehicle margins will come down as the supply increases. That'll be offset if we have lower interest rates by more vehicles being sold. The demand for stores will remain high because I think that it still provides one of the best return on investments over a long period of time of just about any asset class that I know of.
Yeah, tell me about it. I get the PE firms emailing me every other week. Hey, we're interested in buying dealerships.
So I think that demand will stay there. So I think for those of you who are in auto retail now, I think it's going to continue to be a very good period. Dealership profits stay there twice what they were in 2019. Before the pandemic hit, the publicly traded retailers were making about $1,900 in gross profit per car they sold that was new. That spiked to almost $6,000 in 2022. Fast forward to today, in the second quarter of 2024, the average gross profit per new vehicle was about $3,500. So down from almost $6,000, that's roughly a 40% decline, but still up from $1,900 before the pandemic. So if they drift back,
it's outpaced inflation though.
It's outpaced inflation. Now, certain things I think are going to stick at a higher level. I don't think we're going to go back to 2019. Some of it is dealers have become more efficient. Some of it is, I hope that factories will realize that overproducing vehicles is a bad outcome. I think that cars will get a little bit cheaper for consumers, so that they're going to start to win a little bit. They've been punished through inflation and this lack of supply. They had to pay a lot of money for a new vehicle. They're going to get a bit of a break in terms of vehicle prices coming down. I think some of the retailers or manufacturers start to decontent some of the vehicles. I think that, and interest rates will come down. Hopefully we have 50, 100 basis points drop in the next 6 months. That'd be the hope. That makes a big difference. I don't think any factories are going to go broke like they did in 2009 during the Great Recession when General Motors and Stellantis rolled over and died. So I don't think we're going to see anything really big change. I think we're going to see things get better for consumers in terms of being cheaper. I think we're going to see profits decline for auto retailers to get a little worse for them. But I still think it's going to be very good in terms of the ongoing profit in the next 12 months at least.